Good afternoon, student. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today, we will start a new subject. Okay, not only today onwards, every week, once in a week, I will take one subject that is GK. Okay, so you are getting 2 periods of English in a week. So every Friday I'll take GK and every Tuesday I will take English. Okay. So take out your GK book. Okay. So today first watch the video, then we will discuss chapter. So open your GK book. Okay, open your GK book. Today we will discuss animals are friend, page number 11. Okay, so page number 11 today we will discuss. So before that, please watch the video carefully. After that we will discuss in this chapter.
Hello, Auntie. What a surprise!
Hi Priya, how are you? How are your studies going on?
I'm doing well, Auntie.
Priya, are you free now? I am going to my uncle's farmhouse. If you are interested, you can also join me.
Wow! Farmhouse! I love to see animals. What a beautiful horse! I have never seen horses at home.
Priya, domestic animals are generally reared in the farmhouses.
What are domestic animals? Can you explain me, Auntie?
Some animals like the horse, cow, hen, sheep, goat, donkey are called domestic animals. They are helpful to us in many ways. They do not harm us. They are also called tame animals.
How are they protected?
They are protected by their masters. They give food and shelter to these animals. Cow is fed with grass. Hens are given grains. Horse is also fed with grass. Dogs are given meat and milk. Kittens drink milk and so on.
Where do these animals live?
There are separate homes for these animals. The place where the animals live is called habitat. Dogs live in kennels. Birds live in the nests built by them on trees and big plants. Rabbits live in the holes on the ground, which is called burrow. Rats and mice also live in burrows. Cows in shed, horses in stable, and chickens in coop.
What are wild animals?
Animals that live in forest are called wild animals, like the lion, tiger, elephant, deer, fox, and leopard.
Where do they live?
Live in forest. Deer and elephants live in shady places. Lions and tigers live in dens or in caves.
What type of food do they eat?
Animals have different food habits like people do. Some animals eat only plants and seeds. They are called herbivorous, like the monkey, elephant, hippopotamus, deer, cow, and giraffe are herbivorous. Animals like leopard, tiger, lion, cat, hyena, dog kill and eat other animal flesh. They are called as carnivorous. Animals like crow, bear, rat eat both plant food and animal meat. They are called as omnivorous. Some animals eat up the flesh of dead animals. They are called scavenger. Examples are vulture, fox, jackal.
Why do we rear animals? And how are the animals useful to us?
Good question. Sheep gives us wool. This wool is used in making woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Silkworm gives us silk. It is used to make silk clothes. Cow gives us milk. Bullock, donkey, horse, camel, and elephant carry loads for us. Dog guard our homes. Cats scare away rats from our homes. Dogs and cats are also kept as pet animals. Skin of dead animals like snake, crocodile, cow, and camel is used in making leather goods like the shoes, belts, bags, and many more leather accessories. Some animals provide us manure. Dung of cow, goat, horse, and camel are used as manure for agriculture.
Auntie, I have understood that animals are the wealth of our country. So, we should protect all the animals and take care of them properly.
So, open your book, page number 11. Animals are friend. Okay? Take out page number 11. Yes, Lavya.
मैम मैं कहीं बाहर आया हूँ मैम.
अच्छा लव्या, टुडे इज अ डिफरेंट इशू. आज की बात अलग है. हमेशा क्लास ज्वाइन होते हो, क्लास खत्म ही नहीं होता है, आप लॉग आउट करके चले जाते हो कहीं. एंड आई हैव सीन so many times that you have done this mistake. If you join the class, so end of the class you have to be there. अगर आप क्लास ज्वाइन करते हो, आप कहीं पर भी जाओ, you can join the class because you can easily carry mobile. So आप मोबाइल पे क्लास अटेंड कर सकते हो. If you will attend the class, you have to stay there. आपको पूरी क्लास जब तक चलेगा बीच में बंद नहीं कर सकते हो. अगर आप बंद करोगे तो उस दिन के लिए आपका एब्सेंट लग जाएगा बेटा. आप ये बहुत बार कर चुके हो, तो ऐसा नहीं करना है. ठीक है लव्या? Okay, means you don't have book, but you can listen.
Yes sir.
If you join the class, so you have to be there up to end of the class. जब तक क्लास चलेगी तब तक आपको यहीं रहना है. Okay, so
Okay.
you can listen, and after completing the class, when you reach home, please take out your GK book and complete this page. So others, animals are friend. So what we have seen this video, we have seen different types of animals are there: domestic animal, farm animal, wild animal, है ना? And we have seen in this video herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous animals are there. Carnivorous animals means those who eat only flesh of other animal, they are carnivorous. Herbivorous, they eat only green plant, they are herbivorous. Then scavengers, that we have also seen in this video. And in this chapter we will learn about dog are very useful. Not only dog, each and every animals are very precious for us, of our country. And dog is also. So dogs are indeed our best friend. How they can help? So they can help us in many ways. Primarily as guards, keeping instead of way, and some places dogs are used in farm to protect other animals. So गार्ड डॉग को हम बहुत जगह में यूज कर सकते हैं. ऐसा बहुत सारे एनिमल है जिससे हमको बहुत कुछ मिलता है. वी गेट सो मेनी थिंग्स फ्रॉम एनिमल लाइक कैमल, शीप, सिल्क वॉर्म, काउ, है ना. इन सब बहुत सारे एनिमल्स है जिससे हम कुछ ना कुछ हमें मिलता रहता है. अब इसमें से जो डॉग है वो बहुत जगह में हमें हेल्प करते हैं. जैसे कि डॉग स्पेशली गार्ड देने में, वो हमारे घर को भी गार्ड करते हैं. कोई फार्म एनिमल, फार्म है, वहां पर भी डॉग को रखा जाता है. इन सम प्लेसेस डॉग्स आर यूज्ड टू फार्म प्रोटेक्ट ऑफ अदर एनिमल. इन कोल्ड प्लेसेस, जहां पर बहुत ज्यादा ठंड है, वहां पर इन कोल्ड प्लेसेस लाइक अलास्का, डॉग पुल स्लेज. स्लेज एक तरह का गाड़ी जैसा होता है और उसको, जैसे यहाँ पर बुलेट कार होता है, वहां पर स्लेज होता है, तो स्लेज को खींच के ले जाते हैं डॉग्स. सो डॉग पुल्स स्लेज. सम डॉग्स हेल्प ब्लाइंड पीपल टू मूव अराउंड. जो ब्लाइंड पीपल है, ऐसा कुछ डॉग है जिसको, जैसे जर्मन शेफर्ड, उनको ट्रेन किया जाता है हाउ टू हेल्प ब्लाइंड पीपल. जिसको दिखाई नहीं देते वो रास्ते में कैसे चलेंगे, तो डॉग उनको गाइड करते हुए ले जाते हैं. तो सोचो डॉग कितना ज्यादा हेल्प करते हैं जैसे एक इंसान करते हैं. सो डॉग इफ यू गाइड देम, अगर हम उसको प्रॉपरली गाइड दे तो वो इस तरह का हेल्प कर सकते हैं. सो सम डॉग्स हेल्प ब्लाइंड पीपल टू मूव अराउंड. They are also used by army and the police to sniff out bomb and criminals. तो सोचो they are having very strong smelling power. उनकी सूंघने की शक्ति इतना ज्यादा है कि कहीं पे भी सूंघ के वो बता सकते हैं यहाँ पर कोई चोर या कोई बुरा इंसान यहाँ पर रहता है या नहीं, या इस रोज रास्ते से वो गुजरे हैं या नहीं. इवन दे कैन आइडेंटिफाई बॉम्ब्स. मिट्टी के नीचे कहीं बॉम्ब्स रखा है ही नहीं, ये भी वो आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. दे कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई दैट. एंड नॉट ओनली बॉम्ब्स, क्रिमिनल्स. So dog help blind people to move around, and they also used by army and to the police to sniff out bombs and criminals. They are having very strong smelling capacity. Okay, so in this chapter you have to do this exercise. Animals help us in many ways. In each row circle the animal that is odd one out. अब यहाँ पर बहुत सारे रोज बने हैं, रोज है, जिस रो में आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है विच वन इज ऑड. सो यू हैव टू सर्कल दिस एनिमल. जैसे कि रो नंबर 1 यू कैन सी काउ, जिराफ एंड हॉर्स. तो आप यहाँ आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो कि विच वन इज ऑड. कौन बताएगा इसका आंसर मुझे? हु विल गिव द आंसर? After that, I will tell you the correct answer. Srishti. Okay, Mokshita. Mokshita.
Cow.
Why cow? I have to give the reason also. What is the reason behind it?
The animals give us milk. Cow.
Or giraffe and horse?
He not give cows milk.
No. No, wrong answer. Srishti,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the correct answer.
Ma'am, cow, donkey, and sheep.
See, number 1, in this row, you have seen 3 pictures. So, which one is odd? You have to identify the odd one picture.
Ma'am, giraffe.
Giraffe. Why? Why giraffe? Because, I will tell you the reason. Because horse and cow both are domestic animal. But giraffe is not domestic animal. It is wild animal. Okay, Mokshita? So the correct answer is which one? Which one is correct answer?
Giraffe.
Yeah. Okay. So do it in your book. Like this. ऐसे ही आपको circle बनाना है. You have to draw one circle. Completed? Next question. Number 2. Lavya, can you tell me the answer? Which one is odd?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 2, you can see yak, sheep and fish. Which one is odd? And you have to tell the reason also. What is the reason behind it?
मैम सुनाई नहीं दिया मैम अच्छी से.
Okay. You're not able to here. Okay. Akriti. Okay. Tell me, Akriti.
Ma'am, fish.
Why fish?
Ma'am, yogi.
Yes, Akriti.
Yogi, ma'am, sheep, wag, wire,
Yak. Y-A.
wire.
Yak.
भाई दोनों जमीन में रहते हैं और फिश पानी में रहती है इसीलिए.
Correct answer. Absolutely correct. But try to speak in English, okay, Akriti? At least you should try. Fish lives in water, but sheep and yak, they are not water animal. Only fish is water animal. So the correct answer is fish. Pratyush. Pratyush,
Yes, ma'am.
where is your GK book?
मेरी जी की बुक है ही नहीं.
क्यों?
लाई नहीं है. आया नहीं था इसलिए मैं वहां से ले ये जी की बुक. मिलेगी कहाँ से जी के बुक?
Okay. Akriti, where is your GK book? Akriti,
मैं लेट ज्वाइन करी ना इसीलिए मैं जी के बुक नहीं ले पाई.
where it is? It is with you. Do you have GK book? Yes.
मैं ले आती हूँ.
Okay, you have. That means you have. Srishti, you have?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vriddhi, you have your GK book? Vriddhi?
Yes, ma'am. Chicken.
Where is your GK book?
Ma'am.
Okay. Mokshita?
Ma'am, I completed this work.
Okay, good. Mokshita, where is your GK book?
मैम
Okay, good. So only Pratyush, you doesn't have. And Deshna, what about Deshna? And Shreyal Chopra. Shreyal, where is your GK book? Shreyal,
मैं नानी घर आई थी तो
it is with
Yes.
you. It is with you, na?
Yes, ma'am.
It is with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay.
मैम मैं नानी घर
No issue, no issue. Deshna, where is your GK book? Good. So now row number 3. Now Deshna, tell me the answer. These animals carry heavy load and people on their back.
Yes, ma'am.
These animals carry heavy load and people on their back. These animals carry heavy load and people on their back. Which is the answer?
Ma'am, turkey.
Correct answer. Because donkey and camels both they carry loads and people on their back. So correct answer is turkey. So number 1 correct answer is giraffe because 2 points are there. One is horse and cow, they are not wild animal. Second, horse and cow they give us milk. And next second, water animal, fish is water animal, but sheep and yak not. Sheep and yak, these animals give us wool, not fish. That's why fish is odd. And now number 3. Okay, next page. Page number 10. Page number 10. Word game. Page number 10. Word game. Okay. So, circle the names of birds in the word grid given below, either across or down with the help of given clue. So, here you can see number 1. This bird can fly backwards. These bird can fly backwards. So which is the correct answer? You know the answer? Do you know the answer? Who will give? कौन मुझे इसका आंसर बताएगा? Akriti, you will tell.
Oh, ma'am.
Who will? Deshna, do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know the answer?
Yes.
बोलो. बोलो.
Ma'am, peacock.
Bird can fly backwards. So number 1 correct answer is hummingbird. Hummingbird is the correct answer. So you have to underline this one. Hummingbird. 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 Okay. So number 1 is hummingbird. Number 2, this bird is considered the symbol of peace. Next, number 2, next number 2, DOVE. DOVE, dove. Next, this bird is considered the symbol of peace. Next, number 3, this is world fastest bird. This is world's fastest bird. Falcon. Number 3, falcon. Search falcon, 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 F. Okay. Falcon, Falcon. Sorry, this one is 1 minute. Not this one. This is the falcon. 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 Complete. Next, this is the national bird of India. This is the national bird of India. Okay, Deshna, you know the answer? Yes, Deshna.
Ma'am, peacock.
Peacock, correct. Search it. Peacock. 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 Okay. Next, this bird lays the largest egg. The correct answer is ostrich. Ostrich. So find out where is ostrich. Ostrish. Ostrich. Ostrish. Ostrich. Ostrish. Ostrich.
O-S. O-S.
T-R-I. Ostrish. Ostrich. Yes, Shashti. Next, this bird does not make its own nest. This bird does not make his own nest. Shashti, do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Cuckoo. C-U.
Peacock.
C-U.
Ma'am, I have done.
C-U-C-K-O-O. Okay, C-U-C-K-O-O, Kakku, complete. Next, this bird lays the largest egg. This bird does not make its own nest, complete. This bird is a symbol of intelligence and wisdom. This is owl. Number 7, O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. Where is owl? O-W-L. O-W-L.
Ma'am, I have done.
You have done O-W-L, owl? Yes. So this bird is a symbol of intelligence and wisdom.
Ma'am.
This bird makes a unique sound while sitting on tree. Woodpecker. The correct answer is woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. Woodpecker. W-O-O-D. Woodpecker. P-E-C-K-E-R. Okay. Completed. So the number one by one I will ask you again. Vriddhi. This bird can fly.
Yes, ma'am.
This bird can fly backwards. जल्दी बताओगे. This bird can fly backwards. Hummingbird. जल्दी बोलो आंसर. Hummingbird. Mokshita. This is considered the symbol of peace. This bird is considered.
Yes, ma'am.
Mokshita will tell the answer.
Ma'am, woodpecker. Ma'am, woodpecker.
No. This bird
Cuckoo.
is
Cuckoo.
D-O-V-E, dove. D-O-V-E, dove.
Ostrich.
Answer. Next, number 3. This is world's fastest. Akriti. This is world's fastest bird. Falcon. Okay. So this is the world's fastest bird. Complete. Next, number 4. This is the national bird of India. Deshna, you have already given the answer.
Ma'am.
Peacock. Pratyush. This bird lays largest egg. This bird lays largest egg. Question number 5.
मैम किसका देखना है?
Ostrich.
कौन सा?
This bird lays largest egg. This bird lays largest egg. The correct answer is ostrich.
मैम ऊपर करो.
Next,
मैम ऊपर.
Shreya Chopra. This bird does not make its own nest. Shreya. This bird does not make its own nest.
Pakini sir. Pakini yaar.
Correct answer is Shreya. Correct answer is Kakku. Eklavya. This bird makes unique sound while picking the tree. Number 8.
W.
Okay, wood. P-E-C-K-E-R. Woodpecker. The correct answer is woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
Pratyush. Prisha Jain. Bird is a symbol of intelligence and wisdom. Prisha, where is your GK book?
I'm here.
Okay, so this bird is a symbol of intelligence and wisdom. Number 7, which is the correct answer? Owl. Which is the correct answer? Owl.
Owl.
Okay, which is the correct answer?
Owl.
Okay, owl. So please learn all the question also, because next class I will ask you. After that I will give you another chapter. So please learn it. And animals are friend, that you have to learn also. Okay, children. So till that, take care. Bye bye. Next class we will meet. Don't forget, every Friday we are having GK period. Okay, Deshna. Yes, you want to ask something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so every Friday we are having GK period. Yes, Akriti. Yes, Akriti. हाँ आकृति बोलो.
मैम अब 10 पेज के पीछे आप पढ़ा दियो.
हाँ
अब 10 पेज पीछे पढ़ा दियो.
I have completed page number 10 and page number 11. Okay, I have completed page number 10 and page number 11. So children, take care. Bye bye. Yes, Akriti. Unmute first. Unmute.
एट एंड 9 7 8 और 9 पेज आप पढ़ा दियो.
No. Today I have started the class, na? Today on.
क्योंकि मैम मैं लेट जाऊंगा.
No.